So I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on your Samsung phone. So to do that, just go to settings. Under settings, scroll all the way down to about phone, tap on that. And then in the about phone section, look for software information. Tap on that. And then under software information, you will see build number. Now, what you want to do is tap on that build number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And once you tap the 7th time, if you have a password, it's going to ask you to enter the password. And as soon as you enter it, it's going to pop up a window asking you if you want to allow development settings. So if you tap OK, you've now enabled developer options. Now, how do you access developer options? You just need to go back to the main settings page, all the way back to the main settings page. This was the last option, but now that we've enabled developer options, if you scroll a bit, you will see developer options at the bottom there, and you can tap on that to get into the developer options. So that is basically how to enable developer options on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.